Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you drive regularly, a dashcam is one of the smartest investments you can make for your car. It can record accidents, protect you from false claims, and even monitor your vehicle when you're not around. But with so many options available, choosing the right dashcam can be confusing. So in today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best dashcams in 2026 based on video quality, reliability, smart features, and overall value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's get started. Number 1. 4K 3-channel dashcam front, rear, and inside. Taking the number 1 spot is the 4K 3-channel dashcam, which offers complete coverage for your vehicle. This system records front, rear, and interior footage, making it perfect for rideshare drivers, taxis, or anyone who wants full protection. The front camera records in 4K resolution, while the additional cameras monitor the back and inside of the vehicle. It also includes built-in GPS, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, HDR technology, collision detection, and 24-hour parking monitoring. Another great bonus is that it comes with a free 128 GB micro SD card, so you can start recording right away. Pros: 3-channel recording for full coverage, 4K front camera quality, GPS and Wi-Fi connectivity, 128 GB card included. Overall, this dashcam offers the best combination of coverage, features, and value, making it our top pick for 2026. Number 2. 4K plus 4K dual dashcam. At number 2, we have the 4K plus 4K dual dashcam, which offers extremely high video quality for both front and rear cameras. Unlike most dashcams that use lower resolution rear cameras, this one records 4K video from both directions, providing maximum clarity. It also comes with a free 128 GB memory card, and it supports up to 512 GB storage, allowing for long recording sessions. Other useful features include 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, built-in GPS, G-sensor collision detection, and 24-hour parking monitoring. Pros: true 4K front and rear recording, 128 GB card included, large 3-inch IPS screen, supports up to 512 GB storage. If you want maximum recording detail from both cameras, this dashcam is a fantastic option. Number 3. BOTSLAB 4K dashcam. At number 3, we have the BOTSLAB 4K dashcam, which is known for its advanced safety features. This dashcam records in 4K for the front camera and 2K for the rear, giving you full front and rear coverage. It also features a Sony StarVis sensor, which significantly improves night recording performance. Another highlight is the ADAS driver assistance system, which can alert you about lane departures or potential collisions while driving. The camera also supports 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, and 24/7 parking mode, making it a well-rounded dashcam. Pros: Sony StarVis sensor for excellent night video, 4K front plus 2K rear recording, ADAS safety alerts, built-in GPS and Wi-Fi. Overall, the BOTSLAB dashcam is perfect for users who want advanced safety features along with high-quality recording. Number 4. AVAPOW 4K dashcam. Coming in at number 4 is the AVAPOW 4K dashcam, a feature-packed option designed for convenience and smart monitoring. This camera records in Ultra HD 2160p 4K resolution and features a 170-degree wide-angle lens, allowing it to capture more of the road around your vehicle. One standout feature is that it includes a free hardwire kit and 64 GB SD card, which means you can easily enable 24-hour parking monitoring right out of the box. It also supports Wi-Fi 6 connectivity and app control, letting you view, download, and manage footage directly from your phone. Pros: 4K UHD video quality, hardwire kit included for parking mode, Wi-Fi 6 and mobile app support, wide 170 degrees viewing angle. Overall, the AVAPOW dashcam is great for drivers who want strong 4K performance and easy smartphone control. Number 5. ROVE R2 4K dashcam. At number 5, we have the ROVE R2 4K dashcam, which is one of the most popular and reliable dash cameras on the market. This dashcam records in Ultra HD 4K resolution, allowing you to capture very clear footage of the road, including license plates and street signs. It comes with built-in GPS, which records your driving speed and location. The Wi-Fi 6 connectivity allows you to quickly transfer videos to your smartphone using the ROVE app. Another nice feature is the WDR and night vision technology, which improves recording quality during low-light driving situations. Pros: crisp 4K video recording, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity for fast transfers, built-in GPS tracking, reliable night vision performance. Overall, the ROVE R2 4K is a solid choice if you want a reliable 4K dashcam at a reasonable price. So that was our list of the top 5 best dashcams in 2026. If you want simple and reliable recording, the ROVE R2 4K is a great pick. If you want advanced features and safety alerts, the BOTSLAB dashcam is worth considering. And if you want complete front, rear, and interior coverage, the 3-channel 4K dashcam is our top recommendation. All the links to these products are in the description below if you want to check prices or read more reviews. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.